Provide essential protection for your vehicle's interior with our Prestige 79 Neosupreme seat covers. These phenomenal covers with diamond stitch design are made of soft yet durable Neosupreme fabric. Crafted in-house, each cover is a single streamlined piece, designed for a smooth and speedy installation. The backside has an elastic strap. Just stretch the elastic strap over the headrest and around the back of the bucket seat. Then unfasten the hook and loop opening at the top of the cover, and stretch the fabric over the headrest and around the bucket seat. Attach the butterfly discs to the elastic loops, then push the discs through the crevice and lock them in place on the back side. Now, under the headrest, fasten the flaps together using the hook and loop adhesive sides. And finally, stretch the cushion around the seat bottom and then tuck the fabric into the base. For a more secure, snug fit, use the metal clips provided to attach to the elastic loops and connect it to the underside of the seat. It's that simple. The cushions offer a sideless design to allow for airbag deployment, and the underside has an anti-slip silicone backing to keep them in place. Choose from 5 fresh, vivid designs and enjoy the stylish yet practical benefits of your new Prestige 79 Neosupreme Diamond Stitch seat covers.